Hi, my name is Martin Phan and I'm with Catalogic Software, and this video is going to be a how-to on migrating your DPX Windows Master Server to a DPX Master Server Appliance. So that's the new OVA or Hyper-V install deployment that is currently available on our website. And performing this migration is going to help you take advantage of some of the newer functionality being released in the appliance-based master server, like the new web UI, or provide you with more of a black box experience for managing your DPX backup enterprise. So I have here this diagram showing a high-level overview of the steps that will need to be performed when migrating the master server. The first thing that you'll need to do is deploy the new master server appliance via the OVA or the Hyper-V install file download from our website. And I've linked another video demonstrating how you can go about doing that. But once you have the new master server installed, you'll want to reference knowledge base article 000005465. So that's 505465. And I've included a link below because that's what we'll be following to migrate your Windows or Linux DPX master server to the DPX software appliance. And at a high level, this is going to require you to download some migration scripts to your master server and back up the catalog to a zip file, where from there you'll transfer that zip file to the master server appliance and we'll run restore scripts to import the catalog to the new appliance master. So in this walkthrough, we're going to be using a Windows master server, but there's also a backup script for Linux Master Server as well. So for those of you who are running a Linux DPX Master Server, it's going to be the exact same process. So let's go ahead and get started.